Inhlangano eyengamele ikhilikithi kuleli ibikhungethwe yinkinga eziningi kule nyanga ezedlule njengoba ukwesula kanye nokumiswa kwezikhulu ezimbalwa kwaholela ekutheni kuhoxe abaxhasi abathile. I-CSA ibibhekene nezinsolo zobuhlanga kanye nokungaphathwa ngendlela efanele kwalenhlangano. I-SASCOC ithi ayikho into ezolunga ngaphambi kokuthi kukhishwe umbiko ogcwele we-CSA ngaphandle kwemibandela.
When it was offered to SASCOC, there were some conditions that were attached which were not acceptable to us and still not acceptable to us.
I-SASCOC izodlulisela umbiko we-CSA kongoti abazimele ngaphambi kokuthatha isinqumo sokungenelela ukuze kubuyiswe uzinzo kwezekhilikithi kuleli.
For an example, we were told that if we receive that report, 500 and something pages, we should be able to sign a non-disclosure, meaning that that report will be just a report that will be received by me, and I can't do anything with it because it's a non-disclosure, if you understand what non-disclosure means.
Le nhlangano seyibambe imihlangano embalwa kepha ayikho inqubekela phambili ebonakalayo. I-SASCOC ngenzeka igcine ivimbe imidlalo yama-Proteas neNgilandi, iSri Lanka kanye nePakistan phakathi kukaLwezi noMasingana wangonyaka ozayo ukuze iphoqe i-CSA ukuba ikhiphe umbiko.